So, the other thing you have to keep in mind when you're out and about is noise. Noise! Sloshing of your water bottle, footsteps. You might not want to, when you're walking, you might not want to do that. Talking, coughing, burping, laughing. These are all things you're not going to want to do in a bug out situation. The thing that people don't think about, which is what I'm for, is, you know those zippers on your pack? Those flopping. That makes noise. When I say you need to be silent, I don't think you understand how silent you need to be. You see, if there's no electricity, there's nothing making background noise. And without background noise, sound can be heard for quite a ways. As you can hear, background noise. Won't be any. Alright? So, things clanging together in your pack become a problem. They become a big problem. They make more noise than you realize. And if I was laying low, waiting for people to come by to ambush, I'm listening for stuff exactly like that. That's exactly what I'm listening for. Why? I know you got stuff. That's right. I know risk versus benefits, right? So if I can hear that you got stuff, it might be worth it to me to jump you. Okay, so here's another tip for you. Use nature to mask your sounds. It's hard to hear me. So if I was having a low conversation, if I was having a low conversation, it would be hard to hear me. If I need to do anything that makes noise, I would want to do it around some place like this. Now keep in mind it's going to mask sound to you as well, so you're not going to be able to hear around you as well either. But use things like this, thunder, anything in nature that makes noise, use it to your advantage to mask your sound.